Welcome to the sound of the 60s.
Charles lays down and the moment he's out, the snoring starts, becoming a shout. A drill's got nothing on that bloody roar. He's shaking the whole darn floor. I nudge him once, I nudge him twice. He just rolls over, ain't that nice? I shake him hard, but it's no use. Sounds like a tuba on the loose. Snoring Charles, oh what a might, shakes the walls in the dead of night. No escape, no place to hide, I'm losing my wits this night. I tried earplugs, pillows, even a fan, but nothing can silence this slumbering man. The neighbor banged on the wall with a broom, thinking we're hiding a bear in our room. Snoring Charles, oh what a might, shakes the walls in the dead of night. No escape, no place to hide, I'm losing my wits this night. I thought about moving or sleeping outside, but it's winter and cold, ain't dignified. I had a plan, simple and neat. I'll tape his snoring and play it on repeat. It's morning and Charles is awake. I play his snoring, a very loud tape. He jumps and stumbles, what's that sound? I say, darling, that's you all around. Snoring Charles, justice is served. Now you know what I endured. No more nights of noisy despair, 'cause now, my dear, you're well aware. Oh, Snoring Charles, my dear old man, if you start to snore again, I'm buying a van.
Welcome to the sound of the 60s.